That ain't good. Oh, unscripted here, people. That's how we are. Thought I was ready. Guess I'm not. We need this light to come on here in a second. Possibly, if I can get this one. All right, there we go. Sorry about that, people. We're back for another reaction. This one was emailed to me by Junior Johnston at limpyreacts@gmail.com. He said, cleaning up the streets, LOL. So they're doing their civic duty. And it looks like it's a active Hood Rich uncut. Pooh, my boy Pooh out there in Compton. He keeps it real. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Get a thumbs up. Look like they might be out there. Look like they're scraping. You know what, people? Since I'm off of social media, pretty much Facebook and stuff, I might kick on Instagram every once in a while. But man, some of these reactions, I mean, it might be old news, but they're new news to me because I haven't seen them yet because I don't do much of social media. But we'll get to it, and looks like they're cleaning. I can't. It's not 135th and Main. It's maybe Anna or something like that. Looks like one of them side streets. But I'm trying to see where I need to be. I don't know. I'm trying not to cover his logo, but anyway.
After me and Manny race, look at the street. Toe up. Look at this shit.
A lot of racing going on there. A lot of prepping.
His lane was bad. Look at that. His lane was bad. Mine wasn't as bad. This lane. Here comes somebody now. I can hear him.
Maybe like a bobcat or something out there. They're getting it done though.
Almost got one lane done. Almost got one lane done. $10 an hour. Y'all think I don't do hard labor? Y'all crazy. Yeah. Yeah. We outside. We working. $10 an hour for the win. See, this is my crew I hired, y'all. This is my crew. $10 an hour. I told these guys to bring their safety equipment. They don't have no helmets on. They don't have no boots. I gotta figure out a way of not paying y'all $10 an hour because I told y'all to bring y'all safety equipment. He got on boots, so he might get a couple dollars more. He got gloves on, but nobody got hats on, boots. I mean, safety hat. So all that is coming out of y'all pay. I'm just letting y'all know. It's already at $10 an hour. I might give him $7.50 because he got boots and gloves, possibly $8. Y'all might be at $5.
Fuck this job.
We getting it in. We getting it in. Got one lane knocked out. Got about five minutes on this lane and we good.
And they probably did 100 feet or so.
Workers said they quit after this lane. I gotta go find some more workers to do the next lane. Home Depot, they too high now. Home Depot too high. They want 12, they want $15.50 an hour now.
$15.50 an hour.
Yeah. got fired. If they didn't bring that water right there, they would have been fired. We ain't already did one lane already. Nigga looking like a detective coming over here, and all we doing is scraping up the street. What the hell? Second shift came. They came late. They almost got fired. Huh? Well, I'm already docking they pay. They came late for one. They came late. Second
Is that Xavier?
shift.
Or Javier?
Well, he got a no prep card, so it don't matter.
Yeah, Xavier.
Hey, we can get down this motherfucker.
One way or the other. We gonna get down that street.
I know some other places like that that need this done on the streets.
$10 an hour for the win. $10 an hour for the win. Hit crew. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? The leader boy said send them home. What happened, man? What's going on? You don't hear me.
We learned there. Yeah, we proceed there. And then right here, we helped out these stupid beaners.
Hey, this is our first time doing it, and look how we did it.
We showing you after we fucked up. We showing you the good results. That shit look like Chavo's hair right there.
I'm telling you, your weak ass went 1 foot left. We're like 2.5 feet wide over here.
fucked up right there.
Yeah.
Hey, we learned on there.
We just
We got better here. And then we showed the retarded Mexicans here. Now they got better.
So
But they taught, hey,
you want to race in the left lane, what since you fucked it up?
fuck these motherfuckers up on that side.
I've been there, people. I flagged race on that road before.
Hey, fuck this. Go get your beaner ass to work. Fucking audience here. 2 more weeks.
You know how the drag when they scrape it, you're supposed to drag it, right? It'd be cool if somebody could come and do burnouts like their stock cars can do burnouts.
They gonna do burnouts.
Huh?
They gonna do it.
Stock tires gonna fuck it up. He flips.
What are those? Get it cracked around.
Some with some old ass slicks.
Go get your car.
I ain't got no nothing.
That's it.
Hell no.
Yo, doing donuts over here.
Way to get better when they ride on it anyway and stuff. Get it.
Yeah.
Hey, go union time. Fuck you and the union. Get-
Union time. I'm
Hey,
your motherfucking
give me-
union.
How you got the white man working, but not the Mexican? Fuck you. Boom, what's up with him?
They'll see when it's time to get paid. When it's time to get paid, they'll see.
Hey,
I'm taking notes over here. They're gonna ask why this shit showed.
hey, they check gonna be short.
Yeah, it's gonna be showed.
They ain't gonna get a check.
We are finished. Hey, you fired, man. You might as well keep going.
Hey, that's third shit.
Third shift.
Fired, man. We done did this whole thing. Now they want to bring it. We got connections out here, baby. We got connections. Everybody out here at work.
Hey, 20 minutes more. He's gonna
Yeah. He fired. He ain't getting no money. He came for nothing. He got to give us some money. He got to give us some money. Huh?
Oh,
Third
shit.
shift is in the building.
Oh, nigga, not a city on.
Third shift is in the building. We got the hookup, baby. We ain't playing. Come to our track. Come to our track. Feel free to come to our track.
Oh, yeah. That's the way to do it right
'Cause
there.
we ain't playing. We're serious about our business around here. Serious. Fun while it lasts. I gotta end this video. That's third shift. Cause I got to go. Sunday fun day. Get y'all some other footage. Got him. Got him.
I knew it. I knew it since earlier. Come on. Come on.
Damn.
Golly.
And I was videoing too. That is not us. That is not us, y'all. That is not us. Damn, come out here playing. You come out here playing, man. Oh, he good. Thank God, he good. He stayed in it. I gotta respect this. Respect it. They say they warned him about this street, but he said he didn't care.
There you have it, people.
On September 30th.
Oh, boy. There you have it. They out there scraping the streets in Compton. I think that was Anna. That wasn't Maine. I think it was Anna. I believe it was Anna. I've been out there. I've actually flagged a street race out there. I've arm drop and with the light. So it's pretty cool. Bucket list spot, people. Them guys. I mean, if you're kind of known, then they'll show you the ropes. But man, when I showed up out there, man, they had like the red carpet and people. It was like on a Thursday night, I think, and they were down. I think they're down every night out there, usually racing for something. Man, it was a good time, very good time. Check out Active Hood Rich Uncut. I'll have a link down below. If you got anything you want me to check out, you can do it. You can say it down in the comments below. I'll read the comments, or you can hit me up, limpyreacts@gmail.com. And like, subscribe, comment down below. Thumbs up. Y'all have a good one. Later.